Hi guys, I am Neha from team FlightAPI. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you automate flight status tracking using FlightAPI and Google Sheet. So go to flightapi.io and click on sign up, add the details and verify your email address. Once you will log in, you will land it on the dashboard and here you will find your API key. We are going to use flight tracking API for this, and you will find the documentation here on the website. So I will recommend you to go through the parameters and the response code so that you can understand what are the parameters you need to add in the sheet and the response you will get. You can also make changes in the code which I will provide you in the YouTube description if you need any other more information. If you want to start from the scratch, create a Google Sheet, give it a name, and according to the parameters I have already added the parameters which are required in this row and filled up the details. So from the input sheet the code will get the parameters and run the API, and in output we are going to get the details here. To make it easy for you, I will leave a blueprint link of this spreadsheet in the YouTube description. You can download it from there, fill up the details and start your flight status tracking. I have also added a code here which you will find in the blueprint itself, and all you need to do is go to the extension, go to app script, and here add your API keys. Here will be written here, and you just need to edit this and add your API key which you have got from the dashboard. So that's all you needed to do. Now I'm going to copy my API key and paste it here. Once you will paste your API key and click on run, so the execution has started and it's completed. Now you will go to the output sheet and you will find the data is filled in this sheet. So this is how you can automate your flight status tracking easily with FlightAPI. Thank you.